Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 of our tutorial of how to determine the degree of polymerization of a polymer using NMR. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, please do, because I will not repeat the same things as I said last time. So let's go. This exercise is a little bit different from the one we solved previously, because in the previous exercise we were shown integrals for end groups separately and integrals of our repeating unit also separately. But here we have a lot of more integrals. We have integral for H1, which is here. We have for H2 plus H3, which is here, H4, H5, etc. So how do we approach this now, since we don't have just integrals for our end groups and just integrals for our repeating unit? So let's take a look at each integral separately. For example, let's look at H5. What is H5? We have H5 here and H5 here. The total number of protons for our H5 is 3 plus 3. So in total 6 protons. And if we take a look at this table, the integral of H5 is 6. So for 6 protons, we have an integral of 6. So the ratio of integral per proton is 1 to 1. The same can be proved using H1. We have one proton, and the integral is 1. So again, the ratio is 1 to 1. Therefore, we can figure out the rest. How do we approach this? We have H2 plus H3, and that equals to 122. But for our repeating unit, we are only interested in H3 section. We don't care about this. It's useless for us right now. But we have the sum. So to find the integral of just H3, we simply need to subtract H2. So our total integral is 122 minus, what would be the integral of H2 if we have 2 protons and the ratio of proton to integral is 1 to 1. This means that our integral would be also 2. So 122 minus 2, that is 120. This is the integral for H3. Nice, right? So if we know the integral of a total for H3, and H3 is the number of protons in one repeating unit multiplied by the number of repeating units. We have 4 protons here in total, and number of repeating units is n. So 4 times n would be 120, our integral, which means that n is equal to 120 over 4, which is 30. So 30 is our degree of polymerization. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. Kind regards, Ulayana Moiseeva. Bye bye.